Hey there, welcome to my channel. Let me tell you a secret that no one talks about enough. Great videos don't just rely on visuals. The real game changer, it's all about the sound. Think about it. You can have the coolest footage, but if your audio is bad, people will click away. But what if you don't have a fancy mic or you're stuck in a noisy place? Or maybe you just don't like the sound of your own voice? Trust me, you're not alone. Here's the good news. AI is here to fix that. And I'm about to show you 5 totally free AI tools that can turn any text into pro-level voiceovers, no matter what your situation is, and yes, even if English isn't your strong suit. Stick around, because by the end of this video, not only will you have awesome AI tools at your fingertips, but I'll also share tips on how to get the best results out of them. Let's get started. Now, let's kick it off with number 5 on our list. Unreal Speech. On the homepage, you'll find a demo right away. Simply type your text, pick a voice, choose the format and bitrate, and hit the button.
Amid the intricate labyrinth of human neurons lies a molecule that has confounded and fascinated scientists for ages, the neurotransmitter known as dopamine.
The audio quality is surprisingly good. To use it for free, click on Get Started for Free. Log in with your Gmail or any other email, and you're all set. Type your text, select your voice.
Hi, my name is Dan.
Hi, my name is Liv.
Hi, my name is Will. This is a test.
You can also adjust the speed and pitch. Once you're happy, click Generate.
Unreal Speech Studio is a text-to-speech web application that uses artificial intelligence to transform text into lifelike audio.
And then hit the download button. The downside, Unreal Speech only supports a limited number of voices and languages. It's English only for now. But it gives you 250,000 characters of text-to-speech for free. That's about 6 hours of audio. Next up, at number 4, VoiceMaker. First, log in, and then you can paste your text right here. To change the voice, click Change and pick from a huge selection of voices.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here. For example, here is a quote from the Game of Thrones series.
Good afternoon. I am capable of
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text.
You can even filter or search for specific ones at the top. This tool supports over 150 languages, including Arabic, Spanish, Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Russian, and Turkish. Once you've chosen your voice, click Submit. Copy and paste your text, tweak the settings if needed, and hit Convert to Speech.
If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor.
In the free version, VoiceMaker lets you use all those voices across different platforms, but you'll need to credit them if you're on the free plan. Number 3 on the list is TTS Maker. This one's completely free. Just type your text, choose your language from a wide selection, and pick a voice.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Enter the CAPTCHA code, click Convert to Speech,
If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor.
and then download your file. What's great about TTS Maker? It gives you 20,000 characters per week for free, which is more than enough for most projects. Now, number 2, Text-to-Speech OpenAI. Here's where it gets interesting. Paste your text. Then on the right, you can listen to and select from some really high-quality voices.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the heart of the city, there is a large park. The library is a quiet and peaceful place.
The train chugged along the tracks, carrying passengers to their destinations.
These voices are powered by OpenAI. In the System Voices tab, you can find even more options. Listen.
Text-to-speech OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform.
Wow, this voice is perfect. If I were making a motivational channel, I'd definitely use this one. You can adjust the gender, age, and accent of the voice. Once you've customized everything, click Create Speech. Your generated audio will show up in your history.
The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing.
To download the file, just click here. The best part? It's completely free with no limitations. And finally, the #1 spot goes to play.ht. But wait, stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus AI tool to share with you after this. First, let's listen to a sample voice from play.ht.
Thanks for calling play.ht. How can I help you today?
Okay, lovely bakers, welcome back to my channel.
Once upon a time, in a magical...
Before time began, there was the cube. We know not where it comes from, only that it holds the power to create worlds and fill them with life.
Wow, that's incredible. What kind of videos would you use this voice for? Let me know in the comments. To get started, click Generate AI Voice Free. Sign up and type your text. Click Change Voice and pick one.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week.
Alright, so teaching subtraction to a kid.
Alright, so teaching subtraction to a kid, can actually be pretty fun and engaging.
I think Susan's voice sounds great. You can even choose the emotion. Default: happy, sad, angry, disgust, fear, surprise. Click Regenerate to create the voice. There's also an advanced settings option if you want more control over the sound.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little fairy named Rosie.
In the free plan, play.ht lets you generate 12,500 characters of text-to-speech. Plus, it even allows you to clone your own voice and use it for voiceovers. Bonus tool, ElevenLabs. I couldn't make a video about AI voice tools without mentioning ElevenLabs. This platform is simply outstanding. It has some of the most realistic voices out there, and it offers tons of features. ElevenLabs can do text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, and even AI dubbing.
I've interviewed some of the best CEOs का interview लिया है और मुझे leadership पसंद है और जो really struck me is like when you think about your leadership जब आप
Check this out. It can take English speech and dub it into Hindi. I actually made a whole other video on how to use ElevenLabs for dubbing. The link is popping up on your screen now, so make sure to watch it. You can use ElevenLabs to dub your videos into any language, making it incredibly easy to reach a global audience. And get this, ElevenLabs also lets you create sound effects. Want the sound of rain or animal noises? Just type it in and ElevenLabs will generate it for you. Now, back to text-to-speech. Click Get Started Free, sign up, type your text, choose a voice.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world.
And if you click Find More Voices, you can access even more options. You can also tweak the settings for the voice. And finally, click Generate Speech.
After following the steps from that video, go into Discord and type
Download your file here. If you upgrade your plan, you get access to more advanced features, and with my link in the description, you'll be supporting this channel through affiliate commissions. Oh, and ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 free credits every month, which is awesome. Now, here's that final tip I promised. To get the most out of these AI voice tools, use punctuation. It helps the AI understand how to express your text, whether it's a pause, an emphasis, or excitement. Use periods, commas, exclamation points, and question marks where they belong. If you need extra emphasis, you can even type some words in all caps or play around with the letters to add more stress on a specific sound. And don't forget, ElevenLabs also lets you clone your own voice. You can use your own voice for text-to-speech in any language, with incredible accuracy. It even adds accents that might surprise you. I've cloned my own voice using ElevenLabs, and I've shown how to do it in another video. Want to try voice cloning with ElevenLabs? Don't miss that video. Check it out now.